If you're still copying YouTube URLs one by one to any AI LLMs like NotebookLM, you are doing it the hard way. Today I'm going to show you how to use this hidden gem to scrap dozens or multiple YouTube URLs at once and build a massive AI research base in seconds. And you can do it for free. First, head to the Chrome Web Store. Now you're here, you're just going to search Grabbit. And you can see it has a logo like a bird, so just click on Grabbit and just install it. At the top right hand corner you can see this extension and just pin it so that it is easier for us to access. So just click on the Grabbit URL extension and click on settings. So I'm going to set things a bit up. Just scroll down and you can see my current settings to grab the URLs at once. So you can see this is my setting to copy URLs and avoid duplicates, so it's just a right mouse click. Okay, now go back to the YouTube page that you want to copy all those URLs. Let's say I want to copy and analyze some videos of this guy called Dan Martell. So I go to his page and then I'm going to just click refresh to make sure that the Grabbit Chrome extension is properly registered. So right now I'm just going to right click and drag my cursor. As you can see this red box, which is the Grabbit functioning. So if I drag across these two videos, you can see the two URLs to be copied to the clipboard. So I'm just gonna drag across these 4 videos. So you can see 4 URLs being copied, and then I'm just gonna copy like 12 more. So I'm just gonna scroll down my my mouse wheel button, and then you can see it just highlights more and more. So okay, right now I have 16 videos, so I'm just gonna release it and it is now being copied into your clipboard. So to prove that, I'm just gonna go to my notepad and then I'll just paste it here, and you can see it is being pasted like this. And I can simply just go to your NotebookLM and just click try NotebookLM, click create new notebook, and then it will ask you to paste your resource. You can either drop your files, or I'm just gonna click on paste and then just submit it, and you can see it is submitting everything at the same time. You can detect that all these are actually YouTube URLs. Here you can see there are some of the links that are not YouTube, so it just flags up. So I'm just gonna remove all field sources. So let's say I've searched up my how to use AI agents, and I want to copy and paste a few of these videos. So there are a few extensions going on. Right click, and then if I drag it, you can see a lot of URLs. Even though I've just dragged 2 videos, it shows 16 URLs being copied to the clipboard. So if I release it, one issue with Grabbit is that it can be too good. You can see there are a lot of filler links inside the things that we drag, since we have extensions like vidIQ and then some weird search queries, headers. Headers are all these buttons that contains links. So that's how they switch to different websites, because once you click the headers, they will just go to a different link. So all these are all these different links. Alright, so what I recommend is to go to Google Gemini and copy and paste this prompt. I just want to paste a YouTube video with URLs that has the term watch using Grabbit. Can you tell me what terms to exclude in a single list? Then I've just pasted it all the URLs that I've got, and then it will filter out and it will show me all this that is needed to exclude. Alright, so if you go to advanced options and you scroll down, you can see these exclusion filters. So all the terms that you add into this exclusion, it will exclude out from copying. So it will detect the URL and exclude whichever terms that is within this filter. So I can just go back to Gemini and have this prompt, and then it will show me what to exclude. So let's say I'm just gonna copy add here and then just add it, and then vidIQ is one of them, and also search query. And then you can also go back to your main options page and then click on the edit action button and just click on this smart select head filter and save action, so that it doesn't copy the headers into it. and go back to your search results. I'm gonna click on alternate, right click, and then remember we just need 2 URLs. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight both of them. As you can see, if I highlight correctly, 2 URLs will be copied. So if I go back here, and then as you can see, only 2 URLs, which are the videos that is being copied. Watch and then question mark. This means YouTube videos in YouTube. If you go back to your settings, you can actually customize this tool. So let's say I want right mouse click, but let's say I want to have a modifier key, which means I'm gonna hold instead of using just right click. So let's say I'm gonna click on Alt, right click to highlight, and then I can choose the box color as well to whenever I want, and then I can choose the action. So there's a few functions that this tool has, which is open link in new tabs, new windows, or copy URLs, and so on. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more AI productivity content. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description so that it's easier for you to copy and paste. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.